Hi, so this is a review for the application, the Geographic Encyclopedia for the Android version. So let's launch it. And we have a menu right here. Right now I turned off the sound, but there is a sound, background music, the Blue Danube by Strauss, that we can turn off. Now let's go back to the menu. There's many options. For example, if we click on countries, we can choose all the countries, or we can choose just the countries for a specific continent. If we choose all the countries, we'll get all the countries in the world. We see the flag, the name of the country, and its capital. Now, there are some statistics over here that we can take a look at. It's the number of the countries, the total area, the total population. We can also do some sorting here. We can sort by population, for example. Right now it's in ascending order, so the least populous country in the world is the Vatican State. If we reverse that, the sort direction descending, we'll get China on top, followed by India, the US, Indonesia, and so on. If we go back and choose just the countries for a specific continent, for example, just the European countries. There is a small button for more information that will open up the Wikipedia page of the continent of Europe. Right now it's loading, so it'll take a bit of time. So it's going to load up the page. There you go. Let's go back to the application. If we click on Go, we'll see the European countries. If we go back and let's choose territories, so these are all the areas of the world that belong to other countries. There's quite a few. If we go back by region, there's many regions that we have. There's a very long list: Arab League, British Commonwealth, Commonwealth of Independent States, the Eurozone, for example. These are all the countries in the world that use the euro as a currency. If we go back, extras, islands, so we'll see all the countries that have a lot of islands. The country with the most islands in the world is Indonesia, followed by the Philippines, Japan, and so on. We go and see the monarchies, all the countries that have a king or a sultan or any royalty figure. And let's look at the other options. Same capitals. These are all the countries that have the same name of the capital. For example, the Cayman Islands and Guyana have the capital Georgetown. Jamaica and the Norfolk Island have a capital called Kingston. And name equals capital. These are the countries that have a similar name to their capitals. For example, Algeria, Algiers, Brazil, Brasilia, Luxembourg, Luxembourg, Kuwait, Kuwait, Monaco, Monaco, and so on. Mexico, Mexico City. If we choose a similar flag, this is quite interesting. These are all the countries that have the same order of color in their flag. For example, New Caledonia and Azerbaijan, blue, red, and green. Blue, yellow, and red, there is quite a few, as we can see. There's quite a few countries that have very similar order of colors. For example, Liberia, Malaysia, and the US have similar colors. And that's it.